What's up, you guys? Your boy D Money Man back at it again. I just want to say that today we're gonna be doing another ranking of the DCEU movies as a whole. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first, let's start off with Man of Steel. D-tier. This movie is so boring, in my opinion, guys. So boring, and the reason why is because I'm not really a big fan of the whole Superman, like the dark Superman element in here, and I really don't like that aspect of Superman. Superman shouldn't really be a dark type of character. That's Batman, not Superman. Superman should be light-hearted, and truth and justice in the American way. That's Superman. But it's just a bunch of these I didn't like, especially in the controversy of Superman killing Zod and Paul Kent telling Clark that he should kill those kids in the bus. Like, that's just messed up. But yeah, overall this film gets a D tier. See, after that, it was, oh boy, Batman v Superman. Batman v Superman was a mixed bag of film. Batman really did this film justice, and I really like how they did Batman. This should have been a Batman film, not really a Batman v Superman film, especially if it's the second movie in your cinematic universe and you're already doing a versus type of film. Not good at all, but Wonder Woman, she was fine in this, didn't care for her too much. She was really just there. And Lex Luthor, he was not good at all. It was the worst Lex Luthor ever seen on screen. And then you got Doomsday, which shows up at the last minute. He's fine. And also they're throwing like Easter eggs for the Justice League, actually mini cameos of it to set up the Justice League movie, which they're going way too fast on it. And yeah, I really didn't like this film all that much. I'm also really prefer Captain America Civil War over this film. So yeah, D tier. Wonder Woman. This film was fine. It's okay. Not really too big on a Wonder Woman type of character, so I wasn't really too fond of this movie. I saw some of it, but not all of it, so I really shouldn't be judging it at all. But I'm gonna do it anyways, because I can. But this film is not good. At all. So therefore, give it C tier. The Justice League. Everyone in the mamas know this movie's not good, and you know, it's not Snyder coming in and leaving because of an incident, and then you got Joss Whedon picking that back up and reshooting the majority of the film, having kind of a mustache thing, and there's a whole bunch of combinations that this movie's just not good. You know, you have everybody trying to bring back Superman in a way and teaming up to defeat Steppenwolf, which is a weak villain in the DC universe as a whole, so I don't know why they even tried to do that. But yeah, not really a good movie at all. So the next one is going to be Wonder Woman 1984. It's still okay. Wasn't really too fond of the character, like I said again. I did watch this one because there was nothing to watch by the time it came out during the COVID or such a pandemic. But yeah, I wasn't really a big fan of it at all. And But yeah, I wasn't really a big fan of it at all, and it's really not good as a film. Uh, yeah, it's just not good to me. C tier. Shazam. Shazam's going in B tier. I really liked Shazam. It was a pretty good movie, you know. Finally, a pretty good movie that does good in the DCEU. I really enjoyed this film. You know, I like Billy Batson and Shazam, and I enjoyed the characters and whatnot of him. And you know, this film's really good. Shit, it's missing a few. Okay, guys, I realized that it doesn't have the full. It doesn't have the full set of movies. Missing a few. I'm gonna be right back and find the one that does. Okay. See you guys later. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to find a tier list that had the full set of movies. So here is the movies, guys, right here. Here it is. Everything. I put everything in order. I know what the other stuff on the tier list I will talk about when I talk about it. But yeah, let's move on. Suicide Squad. Yeah, this film is pretty bad. The reason why it is because they changed it because Guardians of the Galaxy was coming out, and that was all. This film was basically trying to fit into the style of Guardians of the Galaxy, even though it was supposed to be going to a much darker tone, fitting in this universe. But for some reason, they just didn't because of Marvel. Being too competing with Marvel a lot was why the reason that these films are falling now is because of Marvel. So yeah, I put in C tier. This film is not good in any shape or way. So yeah, C tier. Aquaman. Give it something. Wait, no, that's the Lost Kingdom. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. Here it is. Here's the first one. Alright. Aquaman. This movie is pretty good. But, not really too big fan of the character, to be honest, even in the comic books. But I watched the movie and they actually did a good job to make an Aquaman movie watchable and decent. And I really like Jason Momoa as Aquaman. That was the best casting in my opinion. I really like his character, you know. And also Black Manta was great as he is. It was just overall a really good film. James Marham did a really good job. Birds of Prey. Now this movie is not really my type of movie. It's more so for the females, but I'm gonna talk about it anyways. So this film is so Birds of Prey, I really didn't like it. It felt like a fan fiction to me, and Harley Quinn. To me, it felt like they were going for more of a Deadpool type of feel to it with Harley Quinn. How the whole Deadpool has chimichangas, but in this one, Harley Quinn has a feel for egg sandwiches. It's okay. But yeah, this film, not that good. I really didn't like this movie. Black Adam. Pretty mid. Now the reason why I say that because this film was in development hell for 15 years as The Rock, and And for the whole thing, they were gonna film in the summer of 2020, but it got delayed due to COVID, and then they finally filmed in 2021. And it's just this whole type of thing, y'all. It's really messy. So yeah, after 15 years, how did the film do? It was mid at best. The Rock does a pretty okay job as Black Adam. He's fine. You got the Justice Society in here, which consists of Hawkman, the Tornado Girl, Dr. Fate, and Atom Smasher. This film is fine. You know, I like Hawkman though, and the other team members, but you know, also a forgettable main villain of this too as well. And also, if you're going into this knowing that The Rock has literally a contract where he can't lose, then this film overall just falls apart, in my opinion. So yeah, this film's mid, but let's move on to its other hero, Shazam 2: Fury of the Gods. Yeah, this film wasn't all that great. Yeah, I mean, Zachary Levi did a really good job as Shazam, but this movie's not that good, and it's not better than the first one by a long shot. So therefore, it's not bad, but it's not good either. So yeah. The Snyder Cut. The Snyder Cut, I would say this film's really good. It's really good, y'all. I really like the Snyder Cut and everything. Way better Justice League movie than everything that the Joss Whedon Justice League movie needed to do, and did it 10 times better, y'all. I'm really glad that brought in Zack Snyder again to do his vision of the Justice League that it was supposed to be. Shit, that was good. The Suicide Squad. I really enjoyed the Suicide Squad. It was really good, and then James Gunn from Marvel, he came to the DC to do it and everything. I loved the characters and the story he had. I really enjoyed Peacemaker as well, which we'll talk about in a minute for his TV show. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. This really start off James Gunn in the DC universe, and this what really got him the job to be the co-CEO of DC Studios. So yeah, I really like this film, and it's way better than the other Suicide Squad. This is supposed to be like a sequel / reboot of that movie. So yeah, I really like this movie. Peacemaker. Now Peacemaker, I'll give it another A tier. I loved the Peacemaker show. Like, I recently just rewatched this not too long ago, but I like Peacemaker. I enjoyed it for what it is, and John Cena does a fantastic role as Peacemaker in this Suicide Squad and his own TV show. And I really like James Gunn created these other characters in this universe, also on Vigilante, and how this puts up an alien invasion of the butterflies. But yeah, I really like this film, and this is also the first DCEU TV show in the universe. So yeah, I really liked it. The Flash. Yeah, The Flash is not good at all. If you want my take on it, watch my summer of 2023 review, or somewhere. I'll put it on top of the video. I'll screenshot it for you guys. But yeah, this movie's not good at all. The Flash is not a good character, nor a good main character. Ezra Miller does an awful job as Barry Allen from this universe and the Michael Keaton universe. Jessica Kai's Supergirl is also not good at all. And the only thing remotely decent about the film is Ben Affleck's Batman and Michael Keaton's Batman as well. This movie's not good. Aquaman 2, The Lost Kingdom. Now, Aquaman 2, I will put it in high C tier. This film's okay. Overall, Jason Momoa in this is even more of a party lover dude as you know, he kind of was as Aquaman. And Black Manta does a really good job as the main villain, but really wasn't a big fan of Orm in this. Really didn't like him in the first one movie either. So yeah, this film was fine. Not much to really say about it. So therefore, it gets C tier. For some reason, they didn't put Blue Beetle in here. Let me go back and organize some things and put Blue Beetle, and I'll tell you what I think about that film. So hold on for again, guys. So.